All right, listen up, travel enthusiasts. We all dream of exploring exotic destinations, experiencing new cultures, and making memories that last a lifetime, right? But let's be real. The thought of emptying your bank account just to set foot on a plane can be a real buzzkill. But hold on. Don't hit that cancel trip button just yet. Traveling doesn't have to break the bank. With the right strategies, you can explore the world without draining your savings. In this ultimate guide, we're diving deep into the world of budget travel, uncovering practical tips and tricks to find affordable flights, score amazing deals on accommodations, and even travel for free. Get ready to pack your bags and embark on unforgettable adventures without breaking the bank. First things first, let's talk airfare. I know. Finding cheap flights can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, but trust me, it's not impossible. The key? Flexibility. Yep, being flexible with your travel dates and destinations is like having a secret weapon in your back pocket. Instead of being fixated on specific dates, try searching for flights within a range of dates. You'll be surprised at how much prices can fluctuate, even for flights just a day or two apart. And don't be afraid to think outside the box when it comes to destinations. Instead of jetting off to those overcrowded tourist traps, consider exploring lesser-known gems. You'll not only save money, but also escape the crowds and discover hidden treasures along the way. Now let's talk about the tools of the trade. Flight search engines, my friends, are your new best friends. Skyscanner, Google Flights, Kayak, Momondo, these are just a few of the powerhouses that'll help you hunt down the best deals. But here's a pro tip. Don't just rely on one search engine. Each one has its own algorithms and partnerships, so it's always a good idea to compare prices across multiple platforms. And speaking of Google Flights, have you ever explored their incredible flight map? This thing is a game changer. It allows you to see airfare prices to destinations all over the world, making it super easy to spot the cheapest places to fly. Just enter your departure city and watch the magic happen. But hold on. Before you jump on the first cheap flight you find, let's talk about what actually constitutes a good fare. Now, this can vary depending on factors like your destination, time of year, and how far in advance you're booking. But as a general rule of thumb, keep an eye out for flights that are significantly cheaper than the average price for that route. You can use tools like Google Flights price tracking feature or Hopper to get a sense of historical price trends and set up alerts for when prices drop. Remember, finding cheap flights is a bit of a game, but with the right strategies and a little bit of patience, you'll be soaring through the skies without breaking the bank. All right, so we've conquered the airfare beast, but what about all the other expenses that come with traveling? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive into some money-saving tips that'll stretch your budget further than you ever thought possible. First up, let's talk accommodations. Hotels can be a major drain on your funds, but fear not, there are plenty of alternative options out there. Airbnb has revolutionized the way we travel, offering unique and often more affordable places to stay. From cozy apartments to charming guest houses, you'll find something to suit every taste and budget. And if you're feeling adventurous and social, hostels are a fantastic way to meet fellow travelers while keeping costs down. Just imagine swapping stories over a communal breakfast or sharing travel tips with newfound friends. Next up, transportation. Forget expensive taxis and rental cars. Public transportation is your new best friend. Hop on a local bus, navigate the subway system, or even rent a bicycle to explore your destination like a true local. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get a feel for the rhythm of the city and stumble upon hidden gems along the way. Now, let's talk food. One of the best parts of traveling is indulging in the local cuisine, but eating out for every meal can quickly eat into your budget. Instead, embrace the art of grocery shopping and whip up some of your own meals. Visit local markets, stock up on fresh produce, and get creative in the kitchen. You'll not only save money, but also have the opportunity to try your hand at local recipes and immerse yourself in the culture. And who says entertainment has to be expensive? Ditch those pricey tourist traps and seek out free or low-cost activities. Explore local parks, wander through museums on free admission days, or simply soak up the atmosphere of the city by taking a leisurely stroll. Remember, the best things in life are often free. Now let's talk about the art of haggling. In many parts of the world, bargaining is not only expected, but also encouraged. Whether you're haggling for souvenirs at a local market or negotiating the price of a taxi ride, don't be afraid to channel your inner negotiator. Start by offering a price that's significantly lower than what you're willing to pay, and be prepared to walk away if you're not happy with the final offer. You'll be surprised at how much you can save with a little bit of confidence and a smile. Remember, traveling on a budget is all about being resourceful, adaptable, and open to new experiences. By embracing these money-saving tips, you'll be able to stretch your budget further and make your travel dreams a reality. All right, fellow adventurers, let's take budget travel to the next level. Get ready to enter the world of travel hacking, where points, miles, and rewards reign supreme. This is where your dreams of traveling for free or almost free become a reality. First up, let's talk travel rewards credit cards. These bad boys can be your secret weapon to racking up points and miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and other travel perks. But here's the key. You need to use them strategically. Choose cards that align with your spending habits and offer generous sign-up bonuses. And always, always pay off your balance in full each month to avoid those pesky interest charges. Now let's dive into the world of airline and hotel loyalty programs. Sign up for them all. Seriously, it's free and easy to do. Once you're a member, you'll start earning points or miles every time you fly with that airline or stay at that hotel chain. These points can add up quickly, especially if you're a frequent traveler. But here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to spread your loyalty around. Different programs offer different perks and redemption options, so it's worth having a few in your arsenal. Now, let's talk about a travel hack that's near and dear to my heart: volunteer or work exchange programs. These programs allow you to immerse yourself in a new culture, give back to the community, and travel for free or at a significantly reduced cost. From teaching English as a foreign language to working on organic farms, there are countless opportunities out there to match your skills and interests. Not only will you gain invaluable experiences, but you'll also meet like-minded people from all over the world. Another fantastic way to travel for free is by house sitting or pet sitting. Imagine waking up in a beautiful home in a foreign country, all while taking care of a furry friend. Websites like Trusted House Sitters and Nomador connect homeowners with responsible travelers who are willing to look after their homes and pets while they're away. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. And finally, let's not forget about the power of social media. Follow travel bloggers, influencers, and companies on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. They often share exclusive deals, contests, and giveaways that can score you some incredible travel experiences. So there you have it, folks, the secrets to travel hacking revealed. Remember, it takes a bit of research, planning, and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. So start earning those points miles and unforgettable memories. So there you have it, my friends, the ultimate guide to cheap travel. Remember, traveling on a budget isn't about sacrificing experiences, it's about being creative, flexible, and open to exploring beyond the usual tourist traps. Embrace the thrill of the unknown, connect with locals, and savor every moment of your adventure. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to experiencing the world without breaking the bank. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for an unforgettable journey. The world awaits.